Gotta be careful, I'm in the bathroom. The bathroom has anything you need, ion water. You get toothbrushes here. Japanese are very clean people. Sauna. I think the Japanese and the Scandinavians are onto something with the sauna thing. So, not only the sauna, but outside are three jacuzzis. One of them is cold water, the plunge pool. The other is a jacuzzi with jets, and it's warm. And then the other one is almost a still pool jacuzzi, which is completely hot, very hot. So I don't know. Kind of hurts to breathe. I don't know how long I'll be able to stay here in the sauna. It hurts in the my eyes. I also don't know how long this GoPro can stand and cook here in this heat. It's it says 100. Let me check that out. But it's fucking hot. Can't sit on that. Alright, I think I'm acclimating myself to the heat now, being in here. I hope I don't cook the circuit boards on the GoPro. I actually got to go read online and see if I can take a GoPro inside a sauna. Yeah, it's 95 centigrade. Can't be. That's impossible. It's fucking impossible. Can't be. I'm gonna go outside. I can't take it anymore. 95 centigrade. That's ridiculous. All right, it's time for a cold plunge. So I'm such a dumbass. I'm sitting in there with my ass on fire, and I'm sitting in a towel out there and sitting on the bed. I'm supposed to bring one of these in there, so you can sit down on it. I'm like, why is my ass hurt? And nobody else's ass is hurt. All right, foaming. So this is the cold plunge, and then I can't take the cold plunge either. Ah, this is nice. This is really nice. So yeah, this capsule hotel. And that's Golden Gai right down there, G-A-I. If you ever come to Tokyo, you want to hit that spot. But this is freaking fantastic. Ooh. Oh, that feels great. So, it's a capsule hotel. It's pretty old, and I really don't think that that I'd be really cool. But I'm here because of this, because of all of the cleanliness. The staff was here again, so they didn't say anything about the GoPro. But they're testing the water for pH and whatnot. It's kind of cool. The Japanese are do a very well job at maintaining themselves very clean. And so, yeah. So we have another plunge pool there. And then there's showers. This is the shower room. So it's very interesting that the way they shower, they sit down. And this place is very old. One of the reasons why I didn't want to stay in a hostel was because it's very old. I mean, this is pure 1980s, the decor and the most of what's here is very, very, very old. But it works out. I love jacuzzis, I love the water. Let's see if I can film this. They're actually measuring the pH in the tub, so it's kind of good that they're taking care of the water. It just means it goes to show how well the maintenance here is. Even though it's old, it's something that it's something that's important, right? So you get this all for free. Basically, you get all of these baths just by staying here. And I want to try to get back in there in the sauna. The door is like crazy hot. It's like 95 Celsius. It's crazy. I didn't know humans could stand that kind of temperature. I'll be back in here a couple of minutes and then plunge out to the cold water. It's crazy hot. It hurts to breathe. Cold plunge. Oh! Oh! Next time I go inside the sauna, I need my little sit stool. My ass must be red as fuck. I feel so much better. Feel pretty energized actually. Ooh, it's cool. Somebody else about to enter the pool. Gotta make sure I don't get them on film. It's crazy how I brought this camera in here. It's nice people. I actually haven't said anything yet. So this is the hottest. This is the hottest pool. So it is 42 degrees Celsius. I was in here the other day. It was just fucking awesome. Oh, this is great. Oh. This is so cool. Oh yeah. Yeah. There's a lot of great things about Japan. Safety, security, organization, cleanliness. But their bathroom rituals are pretty superior. They're a very clean society. Shoes don't come in the house. A lot of no touching. That's why they bow down. Number one spread of germs, hand contact. And then where does your hand go? Right in your face. All of these open areas are introduction to bacteria. Hydrate before coming in here because I know it's going to be in a sauna. So now I'm going to try to go back in the sauna, then the plunge pool, and then dry off, get dressed and shave. Kind of interesting taking a shower with and they do give you a wash towel or a face towel. Under in your ears and down there. Wow, I'm in a cold water plunge pool up to my neck. That's pretty cool because everything I can take. I'm loving this coldness. This is really cool. Wow, I'm really enjoying the coldness. You can go from extreme temperatures. I guess your body can handle it. Have a little bit cool down. Alright, I'm gonna get out. Drink, dry off, shave, and do some more. Yeah, so this is the locker. And so one of my main concerns was that I was going to pass out. I did feel dizzy when I came out of the plunge pool. Let me show you the locker. Locker's got to be careful. There might be some naked people. Come on, this is the robe that they give you. There is a bottom piece, but I don't wear it. I wear my board shorts. But I did feel dizzy when I came out of the plunge pool. That was my main concern, is going in the sauna. There's another room where you can sit and do a lot of the maintenance. Of course, Japan is known for its sushi, its ramen, and for its Wagyu beef. And the burger looks really amazing. $12.80. That's it's under $10, about $9, or even less, $8. So I think you gotta order over here. Get the Wagyu burger. Take out credit card only. Healthy burger. Okay, we're gonna do the healthy burger. Who's actually walking around looking for Wagyu beef? Healthy burger, Wagyu beef.
Yeah, Wagyu beef. English menu.
Yeah. Where do I order? One. This one. Where do I order? Here?
Okay, yeah. Order here.
And it's to go? To go?
Okay, to go, same. Yeah.
So this is a really cute street, pedestrian only, really nice. And this has all of the all of the little bars down here. This is called Golden Gai. So this is Golden Gai, G-A-I. The little shops that are here. You do everything from a vending machine here, from getting a meal to drinks to tea. These are all these little shops here. There's little bars called Golden Gai, G-A-I. And here's a ramen place. Line for ramen, huh? Must be that good. We were here last night. These are all the offerings. Gates.
Please help me grow my channel by hitting the subscribe button. Right below here, there's a subscribe button. And click on the bell. The bell will notify you the next time I've uploaded a new video so you can watch it right away. The thumbs up, that's a like. Please write me a comment. Tell me what you like and dislike. Tell me what you want to see.